Okay, it's time for an update on the Phase 3 accessorization of the 2011 Harley-Davidson Super Glide. We've added a whole bunch of accessories that I received as gifts for Christmas from my lovely wife and two lovely daughters. So we'll go over those first, and then we'll talk about the Stage 1 power tune we did for the bike. Christmas accessories include the smoked turn signals, front and back, and then also drag specialties, black license plate frame, just to pick out the license plate a bit. On the left side of the bike, we added the chrome rear axle nut cover, and this is actually my touring seat for the bike. You can see my custom LaPera seat on one of my other videos. That one I use for cruising local around town. This seat is much more comfortable for long tours. I'm heading out to Colorado, Wyoming, Utah, Idaho, Montana, and the two Dakotas in a couple weeks, so I got the touring seat on there. I had a local shop do an inlay to match the inlay on the LaPera seat. We also added the stainless braided look spark plug wires, and this horn is a regular Harley-Davidson horn, and it's just powder coated black, and I left an area clean for chrome. It's got a German style kind of HD script. On the front of the bike, again, here are the smoke turn signals. We also added the chrome upper triple clamp nut covers. On top of the bike, we added the tribal mirrors. And down below, we added the chrome lower fork legs and the front axle nut covers. Then you can see the chrome spaces there too. Additionally, we added the chrome front brake caliper, and then the inner portion of the brake disc is also chrome. Coming around the right side of the bike, of course, to match the other side, is the chrome rear axle nut cover. There's the chrome rear brake caliper and its chrome bracket, and then again the inner portion of the rear disc brake is chrome. Let's talk about the Stage 1 power tune we did. We added the Kuryakin High 5 Mach 2 high flow air cleaner and the Vance Hines big radius 2-into-2 exhaust. Now when we first had the bike, a dynamometer run showed that the bike had about 62.5 horsepower from the factory. Once we added the Kuryakin air cleaner and the big radius 2-into-2 and a dyno tune, the bike now has 74.6 horsepower. That's pretty good gain just for adding an air cleaner and pipes. Later we're going to throw a cam in, but for now this looks good. Let's go ahead and start up those Vance or that engine and check out how the Vance Hines big radius 2-into-2 sound. Okay, that's the next stage of accessories we put on the 2011 Super Glide Custom. Next up, we're going to have all the exterior fasteners, nuts and bolts, etc. replaced with polished stainless steel. They have a chrome look, but they don't rust. And after that, we're going to have that cam put in there. That should realize another 11 to 12 horsepower for a total horsepower gain of about 22. So stay tuned for the next video.